How to use Instabridge Wi-Fi password. In this video, I'll show you how to use Instabridge Wi-Fi password. So to get started, go ahead and open your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for Instabridge Wi-Fi hotspot map. And then from here, go ahead and click on that install button at the right side of your screen. And then once the app is installed on your device, go ahead and click on the open button, which you'll find on this page once this is done installing on your device. So once you have access Instabridge, you'll get redirected into this page. So in here, simply click on the skip for now button to skip this step first. And then from here, click on skip if you don't want to set this up first, but you can also set this up. And then from here, click on continue. And then it is very important to turn on your location before you use Instabridge to be able to allow Instabridge to map the area where you belong. So for example, on my area, Instabridge has detected this free hotspots and Wi-Fi with passwords. So if you want to connect to that, simply click on it and then click on save Wi-Fi so that when you visit that area, you'll be able to connect on that Wi-Fi automatically. And then if the Wi-Fi has a password, simply click on the show password button. And then as you can see, you'll be able to find the password of that specific Wi-Fi. And then by clicking on the save Wi-Fi button, you can save this Wi-Fi to your device so that once you visit that specific area, you get automatically connected into the Wi-Fi of this specific router. So you can use Instabridge to check the Wi-Fi passwords of those individuals on your area if and only if they haven't changed the Wi-Fi password given by their Wi-Fi network. But if they have personalized their password, it is impossible for you to get the Wi-Fi password of that specific Wi-Fi. And that is how you can basically use Instabridge Wi-Fi password.